Hello. Tenants can pay with cash at any MoneyGram location, which includes Walmart, CVS, and many other retailers. I will be walking you through how to make a payment. If you have an account on Schedule My Rent, you can see the amount that is due, which is $1,100 in this example. You can then pay online with your bank account or with a credit debit card, depending what your landlord has enabled. You can also pay with cash or a debit card at any MoneyGram location. To find a location near you, click on the Find a MoneyGram location button. Type in your zip code or address and a map will show all the locations in your area. In this example, you can see MoneyGram locations at CVS, Ace Cash Express, and Walmart. When you go into a MoneyGram location, you need to provide 3 pieces of information. First, you need to say that you are doing a bill pay to Schedule My Rent. The clerk will then enter Schedule My Rent, or our number, which is 16447. Next, you need to provide your name, which needs to be the exact name shown on your screen, or your payment won't work. Finally, you need to provide your account number. If there are other people on the lease, please make sure to only use your information since other people will have a different account number. If other people need to make payments, please ask your landlord to enter other people onto your lease to enable them to pay. The retailer may ask for a few additional pieces of information like your address and phone number. If your payment is over $900, you may also need to provide a photo ID, tax ID, date of birth, and occupation. When you're done, you will automatically be emailed a receipt and your landlord will see that you made a payment. And that's it! This video has shown you how to pay with MoneyGram, which is available at thousands of retail locations. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.